paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means a paraphrasing is used for presenting an author's idea, not our own idea. We are presenting author's idea in our own words. Okay, we are representing the idea of the author in our own words. It's called paraphrasing. Okay, in paraphrasing we used to read all the story or all the paragraph which is narrated by the authors or narrators or story writers. Then we have to close that and we have to start write in our own words. Okay, we have to write in our own words. What we understand, we have to put on a paper. What we understand through that paragraph, we have to put the own words in our paper. It's called paraphrasing. Okay, paraphrasing, here is another definition for paraphrasing. Express the meaning of something. Express the meaning of something written or spoken. Written or spoken in your own words. Whatever it may be, you have to written or spoken, you have to express the meaning in your own words. Okay, we are not going to copy the other words, or we don't give the same exact copy of the other. We have to mold it in our own language, own words, and we have to give the our own words and express the meaning in the same way. We don't change the meaning and we don't change the pattern, but we have to change some words and some sentences in that in our own manner, and we have to recreate. Okay, we have to recreate the paragraph. So it's called the express the meaning of something. Meaning of something written or spoken. If anyone speaking with us means we listen them, and after some time what will we do? We will report that speech to our friends or family members or relatives, whatever it may be. Okay, in our own word, not exact of the speaker words, we have to translate them in our own words and we convey the total meaning of the speaker to the other persons. It is also called paraphrasing. Okay, express the meaning of something written or spoken in your own words. Next, another definition for paraphrasing is rewording of something. Rewording. Wording is writing something, giving a speech to someone or something. Rewording means after reading something, you are giving another style of words. It's called rewording. Okay, rewording of something in your own words. Already it is a matter, but what you are doing, you are rewording it in your own words. Rewording something in your own words to greater clarity, to get the greater clarity. Sometimes we read poems or we read paragraphs in our textbooks. We didn't understand little bit words. What we will do automatically? We will change the words into our own language and we will get a clarity. Okay, we will get a clarity on that particular topic using some dictionaries or vocabularies, whatever it may be. We will change that word into our own language. We will convert that word and we will give rewording to it. Okay, for a particular word, we are getting another meaning means. We are getting the extra information about that word means. It's called rewording. Okay, rewording of something in your own words. In our own words, we are getting the information about the particular word means. It is called rewording. Okay, rewording of something in your own words to get greater clarity. Why we are rewording that? Why we are rewording some words or some paragraphs or stories? Why? Because to get greater clarity. To get the greater clarity, we are rewording some of the sentence. Like the rewording is called paraphrasing. Okay, while we started reading a story, okay, we will get outline of the story. Then we are trying to reframe that story by our own words. Okay, it's called paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is also called as in different types. What is that one? First one is transcript. Paraphrase is also called as transcript. Okay. Next, rephrasing. It is also called rephrasing. Already one phrased paragraph, we are trying to rephrase in our own words. So it is also called rephrasing. rewording we discussed here. Rewording of something. Rewording means giving different type of words which are like synonyms. Okay, it will get same meaning. We are trying to get into rewording. Okay, paragraph rewording or restatement. Paraphrasing is also called restatement. Transcript, rephrasing, rewording and restatement. These are the other words just like synonyms of paraphrasing. Okay, we can call paraphrasing as transcript, rephrasing, rewording and restatement. Okay, these are the paraphrasing definitions. Okay, paraphrasing means nothing but we are representing the same para but in our own words without missing any lines or without missing any meaning. Okay, the same meaning will be get but we are rephrasing it. Okay, representing it, reconstructing it with our own words. Paraphrasing means formulating someone else's ideas in your own words. What is paraphrasing? In a sweet and short, we will tell it as we are formulating, we are creating. Okay, we are creating something new with someone else's ideas. Idea is same, but the writing style and the wording style is different. Okay, paraphrasing means formulating someone else's ideas in your own words. Here, someone means either author, writer, or narrator, whatever it may be. Someone belongs to another people. Okay, someone else's ideas. We are using their ideas and rewriting or representing in our own words. Okay, we are representing someone's ideas in our own words. Okay, we are trying to write now, that's why here I am using our word. Actually, it is your. Rephrasing, paraphrasing means formulating someone else's ideas in your own words. Okay, here this is the definition about the paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is used for presenting and other ideas in our own words. Okay, paraphrasing means we are rewriting the para. By getting an idea about the para, we are closing our books and try to rewrite what we understood. Okay, what we understood, we are trying to represent in a paper particular words are using in our own words. Okay, next we are going to know about the how to paraphrase. How to paraphrase. Okay, paraphrase is creating another idea into our own words. We got clarity. What is paraphrase? We got clarity. How do we paraphrase? Okay, how we can create the paraphrase? How to paraphrase means there are some steps to paraphrase. Okay, first one, begin by identifying the author and the title of the text. What we have to do first? First, we begin with the identifying author. Okay, who is the author? We have to check once. First, starting the paraphrasing. Begin the identifying the author and title of the text. Title of the text. We have to read the title of the text also. First step is begin with the author and title of the text. Second step, paraphrasing. Second step. Now turn the text over and cover it up. We have to read from top to bottom of the story or paragraph or whatever it may be. We have to just complete it. Read it thoroughly once or twice. From author to the end of the title. Okay, we have to read once. After that, now turn the text over. Now what we have to do? We have to turn over the text and or cover it up. We have to close the text or just cover it up with another book or paper. Third step, write down your interpretation of the text in your own words. You already read that, no? With that, you have to cover your what you read is covered, and you have to write down your interpretation of the text. You already got some information or some data to your mind by reading that paragraph or by reading that story. Then you have to cover the paper. You have to cover the what you read, and you start writing in your own words. Okay, it is called paraphrasing. Just read out all the paragraph, and you will get an idea about that paragraph. Just close the paragraph and start writing in your own words. What you understood, you have to write in the paper. Okay, without looking. How we have to write the paraphrase? How we have to do paraphrasing means, after reading, after completing the reading, just close the book and start writing without looking at the original. You are not supposed to look the book. Okay, you have to write on your own words without looking at the original. You don't supposed to look at the original text. You have to cover the original text and start write in your own words. Recheck the paragraph. After completing the writing, you have to recheck the paragraph. Okay, all the matter is covered. All the points are came in your own words. Or if you miss anything, you have to recheck the paragraph. These are the steps for paraphrasing. How many steps are there? Just 3 steps. First one, begin by identifying the author and title of the text. First of all, you have to look at the author, who is the author and what is the title. You have to go through the story, whatever it may be, paragraph or story. Next, what is the second step? Now turn on the text. You have to cover it or turn it. Means just close the book. And what the third step? Write down your interpretation of the text in your own words. After closing the book, you have to start writing your what you understood. Okay, put in your own words and you have to start writing. After while writing, what you have to do? You have to close the book and without looking at the original. You don't look at the original. Write as genuine what you understood from that paragraph. Up to where you have to get idea. There up to there you can write without looking. This point is very important. Without looking. By looking means it is not paraphrasing. Just is copying. Okay. Without looking means you are doing paraphrasing there. Okay. While we are doing paraphrasing, we have to close the book or cover it up. And without looking at the original, we have to frame. We have to represent our writing. Okay. Recheck the paragraph. After completing writing, what we have to do? We have to recheck the paragraph once again. If any point is missing or if any meaning is missing, we have to check ourselves. Okay. Here is a note. What is that note? Don't just substitute words. This could be considered plagiarism. Don't just substitute words. Substitute means how in the original you are replacing the words in your writing also. Okay, in your own words also you are just putting the same words in the original text. It is called plagiarism. Plagiarism means copying. Okay, it considered as plagiarism. From the author's side, you are using the same words. While just like in the paragraph, you are using the same words in your own writing also, means it's called plagiarism. Okay, plagiarism means using another's ideas. You are copying another ideas. You are not writing on your own. You are trying to copy author, or you are trying to copy the author or a writer or narrator. You are trying to copy. It's called plagiarism. Here, paraphrasing is in your own thoughts, own words you have to write it. Okay, don't copy the author's words. If you copy the author word means it's called plagiarism. Plagiarism means using author's ideas or copying author's ideas. If you done plagiarism means you are not writing the paraphrasing, you are copying. Okay, these are the rules for how to paraphrase. We discussed about the definitions. And now we discussed about the how to paraphrase. Now we are going to know about the methods of paraphrase. Okay, methods of paraphrasing. There are three methods in paraphrasing. First method is using different vocabulary with the same meaning. Vocabulary is different, but it will get meaning in a same manner. Okay, this is the method 1. Method 2, change the order of words. What is the second method in paraphrasing means? Change the order of words. Okay, while we are paraphrasing a paragraph or a story, we can follow these 3 methods. First method is using different vocabulary. By changing vocabulary, we can recreate the paragraph. Second one, change the order. Change the order means here we will change the words of the order of words. Okay, these two are